Leaders of Edo State chapter of the All Progressive Congress APC don't come out to yarn say the leaders don't put aside all the katakata wey dey shele for inside the party before and after the primaries, as they yarn say the party don't dey more united now than before. The meeting will be the first meeting the party they hold since the governorship primaries, where Senator Monday Okpegolo and Dennis Idausa come out as governorship and deputy governorship candidates respectively. APC leaders from the 3 senatorial districts tanda for this meeting. Adams Oshiomhole come talk for the meeting say he happy to see the leaders of the party don't come together to unite and come yarn the leaders say need day for them to follow who get power pass and work together.
We've had this unity meeting. We have renewed our collective resolve to work for the peace, progress and sustainable development of Edo State. That is what this election is about. The 2 candidates are already fully employed. So they are not going for this because they are looking for jobs. They are elected. They already command respect from those who elected them about a year ago. They now just want to expand so that the Edo communities across Edo South, Edo Central, Edo North, we have a governor that shares their aspirations. The good thing about the APC candidates is that they are products of ballot boxes. Transparent election under Bivas. He emerged from Edo Central and then he emerged from part of Edo South. Twice. So they are no strangers to violence. And the good news for us is that they are going to contest elections with people who have never gone through ballot boxes before.
Other leaders come talk say the meeting dey necessary for the leaders of the party to sit down and torchlight every opportunity, especially after the party's governorship primaries.
I am convinced a new awareness is coming to bear. The awareness that those we are tired of being referred to as the weakest link. I have listened and I know and I believe that those will deliver this time. I know and I do believe that Monday Okpegolo, Akpakomeza, that is what the English book called the wolf, and Dennis Idausa will give us victory. Amen. I want to tell you, in Benin, am I right? Yes. Let us prove all the dirty Thomas wrong. Edo South is APC. We did it for Oshiomhole, we will do it for Monday.
The destination is more important than the origin of a journey. The Esan people have yearned for a period like this. The Esan people has canvassed on an experiment like this. The Esan people have prayed fervently to see light at the end of the tunnel. I want to thank everybody in the nooks and crannies of Edo State that what we used to call the Esan agenda has transformed to a Edo agenda.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We know they take blame. From Edo State, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.